hard not to fart. I just ruined everyone's day.
That's not sound deadening.
Ah, I thought the mount points were above the...
No, it's on the, in the step.
Ah. Wait, so where's that? That's up on...
On the wheel well.
Yeah, right.
So the bottom end just like loosely.
And then on top there. You're lagging behind, Corey. Roy's already done.
Oh, Roy's the champion. Probably done a few before.
I think keeping an eye on that since I saw that.
Oh my god, my legs.
The squat master.
This is a joke.
This is a joke. Coming through, dog.
Oh, there's
There's more bolts in that white Nike bag if someone can grab it on the ground. Oh. That's not alright.
Oh, it's on the...
You got the wrong ball.
Yeah, maybe.
That looks like the front bar, like that goes between the two hoops.
This is a roof bar.
Yeah.
Oh shit. That's annoying. I'm trying to think if I even got a harness. You know what? I reckon the guy gave me that by mistake, thinking that was the harness bar. But I didn't even think it came with the roof bar. I thought he was missing that, and I thought that was the harness bar.
No, this isn't technically structural.
Yeah, I was just gonna say, we could run it home and then just put that bar in later if you have it.
That's easy enough to make something.
Well, I don't even have the harnesses yet anyway, but... Oi! All good, mate.
Get him. So we're gonna go with just doing it all down and then putting a thing bar in later.
Yeah, so we'll just...
We'll probably try and keep it the same size.
Yeah.
And
How much margin for error though? Like if you tie it all down, sorry, like tighten it all down, is it really gonna be that far off? Like if you get...
There should be a bit of leeway anyway, because it's bolt, like... Depending
Yeah, like they have holes for them. I don't know, who knows?
Huh?
Well, I mean, a cake for a streetcar is not a good idea anyway, as you can.
That's enough out of you, Ben.
Oh! Oh, please. Bit of mold. Love it.
Really gross.
What is your
Just leave it in there.
It's like
Yeah.
bucks.
That's scary.
Just seeing your car get packed up. Hey Corey, just think of all the holes that are in your car now that you can't undo.
going that way?
we put it up before we slide it back. So go forward.
Oh, did it? Yeah. What's in that now?
Oh, I need to bash this back.
It's not now, you got it.
Yeah.
Don't worry about the lid. I guess look at this one. Like that. Have you seen the cage in that?
Your cage is nice.
Yeah, just pop the passenger door, put the seat floor and have a look.
Is yours AGI?
I made it, man.
You made it. Damn. It's party ads.
Man. That's a clean job.
Yeah, Roy made it himself, he just said.
Oh, you see where it bolts to? It doesn't bolt down in
He's
there.
got his one higher
It
up.
bolts in there, yeah.
Yeah, that's why his one's a little bit, way further back actually.
It's such a sick... This is a nice car inside. Sunroof too.
And he's got all carpeted as well.
Yeah,
Nice.
all this. That would definitely have been custom made. Yeah, nice. Is that shot properly? I don't have to slam that. I don't want to slam it.
180 doors are pretty janky.
Do I have to slam the door? No, I feel horrible.
Job in.
What are you doing? What are you doing here, mate?
Taking off these little metal brackets above the back plates.
Oh, you $50.
There you go.
Yeah. Ooh, there it goes.
Wait, these all the same length?
Yeah, I think
Okay.
so. Well, they're all sitting there, yeah. Yes.
Okay. Because you know that big dent in my R32 on that side? That's because
push
somebody
one.
took one of these out
Yeah,
and
I
put a
know.
longer one in.
Yeah. No, wasn't that your seatbelt?
Oh yeah, that's right, because it's in here.
Yeah, here's the C-pillar. Has a huge bolt gone through it.
Like bulge. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, because the idiot who owned it before took the seatbelt thing off and then put a longer bolt back in and it pushed the outer skin of the thing. Hey, Corey, where are the other bolts at?
Back here. So
You have to remove.
see, no. So you got the socket. Yeah. So see how this. Oh yeah, lift this off. This comes out.
Like easy? Like,
Yeah. Hold on. Let me just move this. Hold on. So you don't know you're gonna smush your head.
Don't do that. Don't do the operation. Can confirm. Hey man. No, by that I don't mean that you, I mean me too. I was like, my bad. Sorry, man. Sorry, man.
Rude.
Yeah, you seem like a bum hole. Get out of here.
Just flop it down, it's fine.
Yeah, flop it down. You're right. Man, you smell so bad.
This car looks good, eh? Coming along.
This is my nice 180 with nothing in it.
It's awesome.
Tell us about your super clean street build.
I should take a photo of how bad this looks.
I like the shoes and the fucking shit.
Shit, they
I don't know why you asked me to help you. It's because I'm not fucking 6'5" or 6'7". 6'5", 5'10". Whoops. I didn't drop my guts, by the way. That was just my boot. Like,
I can't deal with this.
Wait, Corey, reckon you could do with one of these? But
We had two of them going. That's sick.
that's amazing. Like,
Then stop playing with things, please.
I've seen you so strange.
was this a good excuse to flex or? Yeah, dude, look at that. Woo! Sorry, man.
Alright, ready? Get out from under there. Just pretty slow.
So where we're at, Corey, we made brackets, and now he's putting the top ones in, and then
Roy made the brackets.
well, Roy made brackets, rather.
And now we're putting in the bars that come off the hoop into the wheel arches.
Okay.
Where is the plate though?
Our plate?
Yes.
Thank you.
The what? The bars? In the boot?
The boot.
And number 3.
Oh, you got them both?
Yeah.
Yep.
Lenga.
Yeah, boy. You were stressing so much.
Yeah, I was there.
How comfy are you, man? On a scale of 1 to very.
Not bad of a sit here.
Step 116. Tighten bolts.
Yeah, start with that one. It's going to be super aggressive on your wrist, so just like brace yourself.
Corey's pretty aggressive on his wrist anyway.
You got it?
Yep.
Shut up. See if you can.
Yep.
Wow, that looks so satisfying.
Alright, we good.
Sick.
Oh, you got a gaze up in there, mate.
Oh, Corey just clipped something in, so he's a bit ahead of you.
Done, I don't even have the right plastic, dog.
You do.
Or screws, for that matter.
It's right there.
Where?
The plastic's in your hand.
Okay, yeah, well,
Yeah.
good. Yeah. But I don't have any screws.
We'll find them.
Roy's basically spending the whole time just laughing at us because we're taking so long to do simple jobs. The Cusco. Half cage, half of a full cage.
Very dark, but you can't see.
Can you see it?
Yeah.
Can you see me?
But yeah, Cusco Safety 21. It's actually a full cage, but I'm only running the rear half.
Bolt in.
Bolt in, yep.
Yeah.
So I can clear those pesky defects. Huge shout out to Roy at Powatone for helping out today. Absolute legend and lifesaver. He helped us make new plates and everything for the cage. which
Most
was
importantly,
sick.
all the scary bits, i.e. drilling holes in the floor and the wheel wells.
Yeah, I wasn't too gang to actually drill holes through the floor and through the wheel wells and everything,
Yeah.
so I knew I'd probably screw it up.
It's like a measure 5 times, do it once sort of
But I probably would have measured about 38 times and never done it.
We'd have still
Yeah.
been here at 3 a.m.
Yeah.
and yeah.
So yeah, Roy actually helped us smash it out. We finished it in probably like 5 hours or something. 4 hours even.
Something like that.
Yeah. So it's actually pretty quick. Yeah, there's not a whole lot to it. The car's already stripped out as well. So all we have to do is rip the seats out, pull out the carpet at the front.
Which, mind you, didn't take very long either.
No.
Pulling the seats out.
And then yeah, we pretty much just got to it, and Roy started drilling holes, and
I'm gonna get mugged by this hatch right now. I'm scared.
yeah, the hatch doesn't have any struts either, so it's held up by another part of the cage currently.
Help. We good.
And yeah, there it is.
Yeah, nice. Done. That wraps that one.
My KA24D T24 Nissan 240.
Nissan. Hell.
Like Cusco. Alright.